Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
First of all, as you know me, I am Shubham Kumar Singh, standing here in front of you. It is an honor, a privilege to be speaking in front of you. Thank you, Kaf sir, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. So, as you know, education is not just for livelihood, but for living as well. Whatever we saw today, whatever that is the only thing that we are going to harvest tomorrow. So I feel that education is must, be it smart class or it normal class. Under normal circumstances, today we are having pandemic, so the criteria, circumstances are very, very different. But in normal circumstances, we should always encourage normal classes. Why so? Because normal classes helps us gain confidence, have a better interaction with one-on-one. We are able to ask doubt from our teacher. We are able to get a diverse environment of that place. Whereas whenever we are in a smart class or in any way we are using smart tools to gain education. For example, today during pandemic time, we are using Zoom, Google meetings for everything, be it our meetings, be it education. We are distracted as a generation that is always stuck on phones, Instagram, mobiles. It is very important that we need an exposure, an outside exposure. When we are using smart classes, most of the time we are just using mobiles, we are muting our friends. You have seen in various situations, students are making fun of teachers in an online platform without having the fear of being recognized. Teachers are facing problems while conveying their knowledge to students. So normal education is very important. It like in smart education, there is a mental fatigue. If 5 hours, 6 hours I am giving myself in front of laptop or just seeing things, we are losing the tendency of writing down things, or we are taking study for granted. Okay, this is a video, why I need to I will re-see it once the class is over. The procrastination level has increased. While I say this, I do agree that yes, smart education should be used for a particular section of society which is deprived of basic education, where they can use, for example, if I am a person who is below poverty line, whose family is not going to afford education for me, or who wants me just to go outside and earn wages. For me, it is very essential to gain knowledge. Then I don't recognize that better a normal education or a smart education. I would really look into a smart education to gain knowledge, gain concept, and that is going to benefit me. But in normal circumstances, for major section of society, I would prefer normal education, and government should also invest more on giving below poverty people the normal education. Thank you. This is from my side.